Nestled between the shores of Delaware and New Jersey, the Delaware Bay is a shimmering expanse of water where the Delaware River meets the Atlantic Ocean. Each year, this serene estuary transforms into a bustling haven for avian travelers who journey thousands of miles to find refuge along its shores. The Delaware Bay is not just a body of water, it is a living testament to the intricate dance between land and sea.
Welcome to the Delaware Bay. This is one of the most important migratory shorebird stopovers in the Western Hemisphere. Many species migrate through the Delaware Bay each spring, including red knots, ruddy turnstones, Sanderling, Dunlin, a variety of sandpipers, plovers, and yellowlegs. The Delaware Bay is also the epicenter of horseshoe crab spawning along the Atlantic coast. Crabs range from the Bay of Fundy in Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. Not only is the Delaware Bay important because of its central location along the Atlantic coast, but it also has a very favorable topography. It's very shallow and easy for crabs to make their way into spawning beaches. Healthy shorelines with intact tidal marshes provide buffering from storms by holding back some of the water and slowing the rate of water that enters streams and rivers, not to mention the importance of water quality and groundwater recharge. Many species of birds, mammals, and turtles rely on wetlands for food, shelter, and nesting habitats. These areas provide important nursery grounds for a wide range of species of fish and invertebrates, both aquatic and terrestrial. Red knots have one of the longest known migrations in the animal kingdom. Around a third of the Atlantic coast population winters in Tierra del Fuego near the southernmost tip of South America and migrates to the Arctic upland tundra to breed. About half to 3/4 of all roof of red knots congregate in the Delaware Bay to feed and rest in any given spring. Knots are primarily bivalve feeders. Their diet consists of small clams and blue mussel spat. However, when they come to the bay, they switch almost exclusively to feeding on horseshoe crab eggs. This occurs because knots have special adaptations for long-distance migration. They have streamlined bodies with hollow bones for better aerodynamics. Their blood has a high concentration of red blood cells, and they can uptake about 25% more oxygen with each breath than most mammals. They're also able to grow and shrink their organs. So when they get to migratory staging areas, they need a fat-rich, easily digestible food source so they can pack on weight quickly for their journey to the Arctic. New Jersey Fish and Wildlife protects important feeding and roosting beaches with a seasonal restriction from May 7th to June 7th. Also, there's been a moratorium on crab harvest in New Jersey since 2008. Shorebird banding, resighting, and aerial surveys are conducted on the bay each year. The Delaware Bay is a magnificent location for these migratory shorebirds and an amazing spectacle to witness every spring.